Welcome to our channel. ERD is an engineer-owned industrial electronic repair company that offers industry-leading 3-year warranty. Because we don't just repair your unit, we refurbish it. The Sauer Danfoss is a rotary motion sensor used in a variety of construction equipment by manufacturers such as Power Kerber and Gomeco. This Hall effect sensor is used to measure the current angle of the machine and allows the system to maintain a straight, even line. The sensor is being tested in this video with its matching amplifier head. This family of Sauer products is fully supported by ERD and comes with a full rebuild and our 3-year warranty. Thank you for watching our channel. Please subscribe to ERD TV for more videos.